Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, thanks for stopping in. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans. I absolutely positively am the craziest happy planner fan ever. And I like to show how I decorate my planner spreads every single week. I have lots of different planners, lots of different functions, and I love to share all my content with you guys. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm planning in my Skinny Classic Happy Planner that I use for my social media planning. And that pretty much means that I just decorate it and then I put a box in each day so that I can plan out which two Instagram posts I'm going to make and then which YouTube video I'm going to have that will be scheduled to upload. And I have also decided to get back into TikTok as well. So I'm going to need to have a little area to fit that in. I may or may not just need to use some sticky notes for it though, because it is a lot of different things to manage in one little spread. So we will have to see on that. I'm using the Stronger Together sticker book, and I really, really like this sticker book. I like that there's a lot of different girls in it. I like that there are redheads, and I like all of the different quotes, especially I'm huge on sticker quotes. And I'm not a huge fan of the gold foiling, but it's cute. It still is cute. It also has purple foil and hot pink foil, which is like to die for. I absolutely love those. So you're going to see that I decide to white out and change the days of the week of alternating days. So I have Monday on the left and then Tuesday on the right and then Wednesday on the left and then Thursday on the right. So I just kind of like switch them up, and I thought it would be a cool little change. It's a tiny little detail, but I thought it was a fun, you know, change to this week. So I'm using the Handwritten Plans sticker book, and if you do not have this one, you need to get it. It's such a good sticker book. I love, 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 love this book. For a long time, it was only exclusive on the Mambi website, but now I've been seeing it a lot more in Michael's. So of course, I'm happy about that, but at the same time, I'm kind of sad though, because I paid full price on the website, but now it's in Michael's. So it is what it is. Will definitely be getting a second one. So in the future, I'll definitely get it at Michael's. This book is just so good because it has all the days of the week, it has months, it has just all those functional words like schedule, pick up, errands, it has plans, it has like all the words that you're going to write anyways, and it's in the best font ever. So I use this book so much. I love it a lot. I really like that it has RX stickers too, because I have to go pick up my prescriptions all the time. I have so many different daily prescriptions that I have to take. But anyways, so yeah, just enjoy this video. I'm going to pop on some music. You guys just watch, enjoy, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you have this sticker book, I would love for you to share your Instagram so that I can check them out as well. things tend to lighten up for me for posts. So I have actually been enjoying putting one larger sticker down for the weekend, and then I can just kind of make a list of what either I need to do or prepare for the next upcoming week kind of thing. So I thought it would be fun to take this larger rectangle and put it sideways, and then I can make one long list. I had it over the edge of the page so that I could cut it off and make it just like a little washi strip that I can put on the other page to pull in those colors on the same week to balance it out. I really like doing that. And I really like how that turned out. And then at the end, I'll bullet those as well. And then I am, of course, going to layer another sticker on top to pull in some of that red up at the top that is on the other page. Balance is a big thing with me in my planner. I like aesthetically how it looks, how it's pleasing to the eye. Touches on the page, going back and bulleting, putting bullet points on the rest of the boxes so that I have a place to write out all those different posts that I need to do. And in this bottom box with the girl that says you can do it, I'm going to pull out the Boss Babe, the newest sticker book for Boss Babe, and put personal development down there. I don't think I'm necessarily going to do anything with personal development, but I thought it was a cute font. But, just went ahead and slapped that down. And think that's pretty much it. I'm going to pop it back into the discs so that you can see a full look. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. Yay. All right. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.